Hello, welcome back for lesson number 33. I put a title called Towers. We're going to cut the balance material created from the previous operation. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and then continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We will start with double click the part, go into the sketch mode, select the plane and then click OK. We're going to use offset 0.5 and then offset the curve. We're going to draw two circles. This is to simulate the two path location where the material is intersect on the previous operation. Okay. Offset again, 3. Click OK. We're going to use the extend function. We're going to extend the line so that to have a better picture where the two intersect. Click OK. Use the power trim. Trim away all the intersection point. We will balance these two lines for the operation. Exit. Go back to the CAM plan. Update the component. Copy the operation. Paste it. Remove the profile as usual. We're going to create the profile. Create profile. Click OK. Go into the mode and select the two lines that just now we created. Click OK. You can see the arrow direction is pointing to the right side, which is correct. Click OK. Edit the parameters, right mouse click. The side thickness set to 0. And when we need to only cut the base only. Set the engage 0.5. Change the color and then we calculate. We're going to go for verified. You can see that we drag the 2 and the dimension is Z minus 14.5. After we set the G54, click OK. OK again. Let us go into the solid verified. You can see the result. Going for the analysis visual. Looks good. There's nothing wrong there. Still material for the finishing cut. We save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you the step-by-step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step-by-step how to complete the task. First, we double-click to hide the previous operation. Go into the part sketch mode. Select the plane. OK. We need to use the offset function. 0.5 for the offset. OK. Go in for it. Click OK. We need to draw two circles with the radius of 2. One over here. And the other one is over here. OK. Offset again. For 3. This one. And this one. Click OK. We need to extend this line. This one go to here. Click OK. Power trim. Need to remove the center. We only need to keep this line and this line over here. So one more time. Over here. Go through this one, and this one. Yep, okay. Now to go for the other side. Power trim. Center, go through. Okay, we have two lines created. Exit. CAM plan. Right mouse click. Copy. And then we paste. Okay, remove profile number 6. We need to add a new one. correct, profile, okay. So we need to tilt this one and then zoom. Oops. This one and this one. Okay. Arrow is pointing to the right side. Okay. Right mouse click and then we need to update the parameters from the top. Nothing changed here. This one. Yes, we need to set 0. And this is only for base only. 0.5 for this. We change the color to this one. And we calculate. Looks good. Let us do a verification. Set the frame G54. Drag. You can see the 2 go to the bottom. Z minus 14.5. Click OK. Then we click OK again. So let us perform a solid verify to see everything is okay. So I slow down a little bit. Yeah, you cut. Yes. Yeah, looks good. Let us go for the option analysis and visual to see if we cut over to any place or we damage or we still have material for the finishing cut. Looks good. We have no change of color to red or this orange and also not green. So this color is good for sign. Okay. Everything is go into the plan to our expectation. Okay. Close it. Close this. Oops. And we save the file. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something out of it. I will see you to cut the finishing portion at the next lesson. Bye bye.